My name is Patrick Zeppieri and we're in Times Square. When we were in the subway, the subway area, we sang a song and everybody came and listened to the song and stuff. It was really cool. I'm feeling free and love in love. I hope that people, they see that and look more into it. It's not popular, it's not like cancer or anything like that, but it's important because there's a lot of people affected by it, and people need to become aware of it.
I will be singing Orlando by XXXTentacion. Pain in my heart just won't end. The words that I thought just don't seem to convey. Waiting my death in the end.
We have great teachers, so it's easier to stay on task and just focus and do what we need to do. And we're pretty far along on just the second day, and I'm feeling really good about it. We sound pretty good. But I know my heart's pounding like a drum. To those movements. I wanna know how you feel, boys. I wanna know if it's real. I wanna know about love, boys, sing with me, go. I wanna know about love. I wanna know how